Coming soon Friday, April 29th. A newer home in sought-after and walkable Cooper Young. 3-bedroom, 2-bath traditional all on one floor. With scored concrete floors, high ceiling, lots of great light and an open floor plan. Kitchen west/gas cooking, granite and stainless steel opens to keeping room west/gas fireplace. Brand new roof this week west/7 years warranty. 2018 air conditioner unit. All appliances stay, large wood fenced yard, great street appeal. Pre-listing inspection available. Close but not too close to all the action. Possession July 10th plus/.